This is the newest trading bot for Pocket Option. Unlike the others, Flex AI is not just a piece of code, it's your personal, fully customizable agent that works 24/7. When talking about customization, this is what it looks like. Live assets, OTC or crypto. Set your own charts type, time frame, and the most important, your time zone. Flex AI will fully synchronize with your own Pocket Option account. When all the settings were set, let's proceed to the first Flex trading session. We are still running our challenge. How much can we earn in 1 week trading on Pocket Option with Flex Trade Bot? Today, we will use OTC assets. Everything is done as usual. Choose a currency pair with the highest payout percentage, set the expiration time, and the trade amount. Our project has been granted with the unique Pocket Option promo code. You can see it on your screen. Use it now and get a 60% bonus for your deposit. This is the result we got today. We'll see you tomorrow on the third challenge day. Follow the link in the description to trade with Flex.